guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp, guys. We are going in Walmart to do our Walmart coupon and haul for the week. Guess what, guys? It is going to be, hopefully, if all the items is here, we're going to have plenty of overage. So let's go. Okay, look at this, guys. They got pineapples for $1. I'm going to grab some. Okay. I want a pineapple. Let me put it in the thing. $1, that's great. Okay, guys, in my last video, I think I showed you all the wrong thing. I love small spaces so much that I went and grabbed a small space. But it's actually these car clips. Those are the ones, and they don't have any singles. So that's what I would have got if that coupon. Oh, I am so sorry, guys. I grabbed it, and I said, you grabbed it because you are so greedy to that thing. That is why I did it, okay? So, my mistake, forgive me, I'm human. But guys, I was gonna grab this for Ibotta, but I see it is not here. Warmer, you could do it one time, buy the Febreze plug-in warmer, and you'll get $2 back, and you could do that times one. But they do not have any, as usual. Someone comes in here and clear out so much stuff. I am so happy for them that they coupon, but they could leave a little. Okay, but I'll get it if I want it also. So happy couponing. Let's keep it going and moving. Yeah, I looked all over. I don't see it. Okay, so there we go. And yep, that's it. Okay, so these two games these Dons right here. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. We have $1 off coupon, and it's attaching, making these 24 cents each. And guys, if you can find the gain is also attaching. In fact, I'm gonna grab 4. I'm gonna do 2 sets of deals, okay? I'm gonna grab 2 bounce at $3.97. Matter of fact, I'm gonna grab 4 because I'm also gonna use the $3 off coupon, and the new newspaper made P&G that is also attaching, making those 97 cents. So let me show it to you guys. Okay, this is the Downy D5 that works on that, making it 97 cents, and this is the Don $1 off, making it 24 cents. Guys, also I'm gonna grab 2 Tide at $4.97, but I'm gonna use the $3 off coupon. And if you don't want to do the deals the way I'm doing, you are free to do them whichever way you would like, guys, whichever way. But I have a bundle to sell. Okay, we're going to grab 4 of these 94-cent coupon toothbrushes, and the $2 coupons are the ones that we're going to use for it, okay? Show you those out of the May P&G. And this is the toothbrush coupon we're going to use. Okay, and let me clear up another mishap that I gave you all. I told you all it was the Crest baking soda. That is not the one. Do not. No. That's not it. It is the Crest Kids Cavity. That's the one that's attaching to it. Somebody already got here and got the dough collect, so I can't get that one. So my plan was to have $8 in overage, and I see that it's not going to happen. So at this point, I'm working with $4 in overage. Guys, so I'm going to grab as many coasters as I can. I think I need 5. So let's grab 5 of these, okay? 3, that's 4. And I need 1 more, and that is 5. And then I'm gonna grab 5 of the 97-cent Zest. So these are 97 cents for a 3-pack, and I'm gonna grab 5 of those, okay? And 1 more makes 5, okay? And here's the coupon for the Coast. It's the coupon for the Zest. Okay, now we're gonna go to the clearance aisle, and then we're gonna get somewhere quiet and go over everything we have in the cart. Okay, let's get out of here. The music is too loud. I cannot hear myself think. Okay, guys, so it was tons of stuff that I want to grab, but as you can see, everything that I went to pick up, they did not have it. It was gone. The Dough Collects overage was gone. The free Advil was gone. Oh, here is the bowls right here. I don't know how much these are. Hey, guys, I might have to show you all these coupons when I get to the house because this is ridiculous. The music is way too high in here. Whew, hey guys, so we are back from Walmart. This was a great haul, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I done it. I had to get out of there, and I had to literally turn off my phone, my mic, everything. That's how loud the music was. So That's why you didn't see the rest of it cut off, and I started back from the house. So I'm sorry about that. I really want to go over the coupons while we were inside the store and tell you exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So this is the first time I believe, done a haul showing you some different things. Now you use whatever coupons you want to on the items. I'm going to show you all the coupons that work on these items, okay? Now, the only coupons you will not see me with, and that is with this Coast coupon. I only had 8 to begin with. I did use 3 of them last week sometimes before I left and went out of town. So that's in Coast. It is a website that I go to. It's called Coupon Clippers. That is where I'm going to try and order these coupons from. They don't expire until the 16th. So you got a lot of time to collect them at different stores. Pretty much everywhere you go to, the Zest is $1.97 and the Coast is $1.97. And we did grab 5 of those, okay? Now, you could buy Zest, you could buy Coast soap also, bar soap, and you could buy Zest body wash, but I bought what was left at Walmart. The reason why I used Walmart was because they were 97 cents. Yes, I wanted my 3-cent overage, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 cents a piece. So that was 30-cent overage for each one of these. That's why I grabbed those, okay? Now, the aspirin cream, yeah, I did grab that after I turned off the phone. I grabbed that. This actually ended up being $2.50, okay? But we all know we use a lot of overage, correct? So let's get into what went on. Now, the Dawn. I can tell that the people been on it because this was the only thing left. The Dawn, let me get that coupon for you and show you the coupon that worked. Okay, so this coupon worked on Dawn, okay? The small ones. That's at Walmart for $1.24. Now listen to me carefully. I did not do all of these together. I did 2 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of those. Split your orders up, okay? It's important because if you do it all together, the coupons might start beeping for one. You don't want to draw that a type of attention. I'm going to tell you which ones work, okay? So I just showed you the Dawn. Do not try this orange color. It has not worked for anyone. My cousin said it didn't work for her. Do not try that one. I've only saw it working on the blue one, okay? So, you know, do it at your own, whatever you want to do. But I'm just telling you what I saw it work on. Okay, the one that I really wanted was the Gain. They did not have any Gain. Now, the Gain, from my understanding, it works on the yellow. I grabbed the yellow when I did my coupon matchup, and it worked on that. So it worked on the yellow, and it works on the green. Okay, don't do it on nothing else. Okay, see this right here? That is the Oral-B toothbrush. Is $2. You're going to grab the dollar one. The one that's 94 cents. So each one of these gave me 6 cent overage. 12 and 12 is 24. So that was $1.20. So it was $1 and 6 cents each. So that was $4.24 overage. This was 30 cent overage, right? Well, no, not this. I'm sorry. These was 15 cents, and this was 15 cents. So now you had 30 cents plus $4.24 overage. Now let's get to the Tide. Now you see that it's Tide Original. It also works on the Tide HE. Okay. This is the coupon works on it. At Walmart, these are $4.97, so they are $1.97. And this $2 also work on it, okay? There you go. That also works on it. Those work. So you get that Those are $1.97. Now remember, you got $4.24 here, and you got 15 cents and 15 cents there. Start, subtract. That's why I broke up the orders. So I grabbed 4 of those. Then let's look at the balance. Now, this $3 one, work on it. Make these 97 cents. That $2 one, work on it. Make it $1.97. And that dollar one works on it, making it $2.97. So take your pick of which one you want to use. I want to give you a variety of stuff that you can use. Now let's look at our receipt, because I'm going to show you one of the receipts. Now you see exactly what I did here. And I paid $3.12 out of pocket because I used my overage. I split up all of my deals. Don't make these so heavy. Don't come down the aisle with 20 tabs, 20 bounces, and 30 of these. You're obvious, and that don't look good. But I did show you all the options. I just showed you what I done today, okay? Now, I need to do another deal, so I'm probably going to show you that deal, because I have another idea that some people will drop it in my comments that they want me to do, so I'll be doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Walmart haul. I know it's a little different from what I usually do, but I need to get some things up, and I want to see what really works. We got a couple of places we're going to donate to. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.